In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fuel your trip with GasBuddy. This is a great way to save money on gas while ensuring you have a smooth journey. With the GasBuddy app, you can easily find the cheapest gas stations along your route. Let's get started. First, open the GasBuddy app on your mobile device. You will see a simple and user-friendly interface that welcomes you with its vibrant colors and intuitive design. The app is designed to make your gas search as easy as possible. Once it's open, you know you are ready to begin your journey toward finding the best fuel prices. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, tap on the Find Gas option. This button is usually located prominently on the home screen, allowing for quick access. When you tap it, the app prepares to gather information on nearby gas stations. It's like telling the app, "I'm ready to find the best gas prices." You will notice a search bar appear, signaling that you are on your way to locating the fuel you need. This step is essential as it directs the app to focus on gas stations specifically. From there, tap the directions icon in the search bar. This icon usually looks like a small road sign or arrow indicating navigation. By selecting this, you are telling GasBuddy that you want to find gas stations along a specific route. It adds a layer of convenience to your search, as it ensures you are looking for stations that fit into your travel plans. You will feel a sense of progress as you take this step, knowing you are getting closer to planning your fuel stops efficiently. Now, enter your destination in the provided field. This could be a city name, an address, or even a landmark. As you type, the app may suggest options based on what you are inputting. This feature helps you find your destination quickly and accurately. Once you have entered your destination, the app will understand where you are headed. This is particularly important because it allows GasBuddy to curate a list of gas stations that are along your route rather than in unrelated areas. After that, select your preferred route from the options displayed. GasBuddy will typically suggest multiple routes based on distance and estimated travel time. Choosing your preferred route is key because it determines the gas stations that will be highlighted for you. You can choose the fastest route or one that aligns with your travel preferences. This choice gives you control over your journey, ensuring you are satisfied with your travel plans. With your route selected, browse the gas stations and prices along your route. The app will display a list of stations showing their prices and distances from your current location. You will see icons, colors, and price tags that make it easy to compare options at a glance. This step is invaluable because it allows you to identify the most cost-effective stops along your journey. You can quickly see where you can save money, which is especially helpful on long trips. Finally, tap a station to view details or get directions to it. When you select a specific gas station, you will see more information such as user reviews, amenities, and exact distance. You can also choose to get directions directly from the app. This makes it easy to navigate to the gas station without switching between different apps. You can feel confident that you are making informed decisions about your fuel stops. Tip: before starting your trip, use Search Along Route together with Find Gas to compare fuel prices and choose the most cost-effective stops along the way. This little step can save you a lot of time and money during your travels.